We're looking at cases where people are adopted, often from other countries, by people who are not related to them.
Okay, and that controls for any genetic influence in the family, because if mom and dad aren't genetically or biologically related to the child, then what's left to influence the child? But
Well, there's always the possibility of what we call selective placement.
hmm
Maybe there are various processes at work that make the child resemble the parents, their rearing parents, adoptive parents. So it's not strictly like a random placement, but and that's been something that's been looked at over the years. How could that kind of placement could it replicate, for example, the degree of genetic similarity that exists in biological families? The short answer is basically no. Probably we can treat adoption studies kind of as if the adoptees are randomly placed. And in some studies, for example, a big one from New York by an economist named Sacker Dote, there's actually reasonably good evidence that the placement was more or less random. So yeah, that's one kind of study we can do, looking at resemblance between parents and their offspring or between siblings
hmm
in these different kinds of families. That's one thing we used to do. We still do it. We still continue to look at twins and other kinds of kinships in this way.